Good morning, students. Today we study about the biodiversity in aquatic ecosystem, that is estuary. An estuary is a partially enclosed body of water formed where fresh water from land or river meets and mixes with salt water from the ocean. Estuaries come in all shapes and sizes and can be called bays, lagoons, harbors, inlets, sounds, wetlands, and swamps. Estuaries are unique environments to which plants and animals have specially adapted. Transition from land to sea and fresh water to salt water. Estuaries are protected from ocean force by reefs, barriers in Iceland, headlands and deltas. Estuaries transport and trap nutrients and sediments through the combined action of freshwater flow, wind, waves and tidal action. Then the formation of estuaries. Sea level has slowly risen over the last 15,000 years, remaining stable over the last 6,000 years. As the sea rose, it drowned river valleys and filled glacial troughs. Once formed, estuaries made good sediment traps, filling with sediments from both the land and the sea. Sediments from the land includes muds and clays delivered by rivers, while sediments from the sea are usually clean sand pushed into the estuary by wave and tidal currents. Sediments can also come from shoreline erosion, wind-blown sediments and shale production. Estuaries have many shapes and sizes depending on how they were formed. In New Zealand, about 301 estuarine systems have been identified, ranging from few hectares to 15,000 hectares. 164 are bar-built, 56 are drowned river valleys, 65 lagoons and 16 fjords. We have an example of every type of estuary. This variety is due to varied geology, rainfall, land use, coastal wave climate and different basin shapes and the degree of infilling. Then the types of estuaries. They are bar-built estuaries, tectonic estuaries, coastal plain estuaries and fjord and rias. These all four the types of estuaries are found in New Zealand. First one is bar-built. These are formed when a shallow lagoon or bay is protected from the ocean by a sandbar, sand delta or barrier island. In New Zealand, it is found in west coast of North Iceland, eastern Coromandel and Avon Heathcote. In Christchurch. In the other part of the world, Gulf Coast of Texas and Florida, Netherlands and North Carolina. Tectonic estuaries. These are caused by the folding or faulting of land surfaces. These estuaries are found along the major fault lines like the Manukau Harbor in Auckland, San Francisco Bay in USA. Then coastal plain estuary. These are formed by the sea level rising and filling an existing river valley. Example, Okura Estuary, North Auckland, and Hudson River in New York, Thames River in England, EMS River in Germany, Seine River in France, Sekiong River in Hong Kong, Murray River in Australia. Fjords and rias. These are U-shaped valleys formed by glacial action. Fjords are found in areas with long histories of glacier activity seen along the west coast of the South Iceland, Glacier Bay in Alaska, Georgia Basin region of Puget Sound in Washington State, Canada, Chile, Greenland, Norway, Siberia, and Scotland. Then the estuarian ecosystem, these are the areas where both ocean and land contribute to a unique ecosystem. A basic feature is the instability of a estuary due to the ebb and flood of the tide. Plants and animal waste are washed away, sediment is shifted, and fresh and salt water are mixed. This provides a calm refuge from the open sea for millions of plants and animals. The diversity of habitats enclosed in estuaries support enormous abundance and diversity of species. Example, fish, jellyfish, lobster, marine worms, reeds, sea grasses, mangroves, algae, and phytoplankton. Visiting species include birds which roost and feed, pelagic fish to spawn and use as nurseries. These are among the most productive environment on Earth. 4 times more productivity in plant matter than a rye grass pasture, and 20 times more productive than the open sea. Extremely rich in organic matter and nutrients. Photosynthesis occurs throughout the water column and on the sediment surface, very productive. The margins of estuary contain the food web. Important producers are algae, eelgrass, rushes, and mangrove, providing a huge amount of organic matter. Marshes and mangroves produce up to 10 tons of plant detritus per hectare per year, considered organic factories. Sediments are important as they store organic matter and are the sites for microbial activity. Microorganism decomposes complex organic compounds into usable forms, ammonia, nitrates, and phosphates. This becomes the basic food for primary consumers like crab, shellfish, snails, and marine worms. These burrowing invertebrates especially sediment feeders, continually turn over the deposited material. Filter feeders such as cockles and pippies continually add fecal deposits to the sediments. Visiting animals from land, sea and fresh water use the estuary for feeding, breeding, spawning and as nurseries for their young. Food is abundant and easy to access because of the shallow water attracting many types of birds including gulls, ducks and wading birds. Freshwater eels, salmon and whitebait migrate through estuaries at least twice in a life cycle. Many species of shark use estuaries as pupping grounds. They bear their young, use the estuary for food and shelter until they are ready to head out the ocean. Plants and animals have adapted specially for different habitats of this unique ecosystem. This is about the aquatic biodiversity in aquatic ecosystem, that is estuary. Thank you.